Now, in generic inquiries, besides the data access classes that were there before, you can also select another generic inquiry as a data source. It is very useful when you need a subselect in your data selection. As you can see here on the screenshot, in the data source selector, you now have additional tab, generic inquiries, that will show other generic inquiries that you can add to this one as a data source. Some additional details on that. When you use a generic inquiry inside another generic inquiry, the access rights will be checked only for the top level inquiry. It is by design. Currently, business events do not trigger on the GIs that include other GIs. It is going to be fixed at some point, but for now, please be careful. Do not use it in business events. There are some other smaller issues that are going to be gradually fixed. You can find the full list in developer release notes.